claim to be targeting the iPhone, and Apple specifically,
of the Galaxy Fold because it has these T-shaped pieces.
One man, IP man, sought out to uncover the truth. So how did you get the Fold? Mainly overstock. Everything is running perfectly fine. How can you sell it for so cheap? All devices are functioning properly. Could you explain what you mean by overstock? Overstock of Galaxy Fold. So an estimate will be fine. Can I ask how many people have bought from you? We are not discussing client details with other clients. Okay, how long have you been selling smartphones? 1 year. Okay. A chat with Escobar. Ooh, mystery. I mean, ooh, mystery. Critically acclaimed by no one.